Hey everyone, Ryan here with creatingawebsiteguide.com. As you're starting with the WordPress dashboard here, I just want to show you briefly how to create some posts and pages and get familiar with creating content. Content is just simply the words and images and anything you create that you're sharing with other people. So on the dashboard here on the main page, you're going to see you have one post, one page. Basically, they create a post called Hello World here starting out. So just to create a post, let's go under posts here on the left, and it's just going to show you all the different posts that you have, and obviously right now you only have one, so it's just taking a second to load here. Okay, your first post is Hello World. The author is admin, that's you, and it's not categorized and it shows a date published. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hit the trash here. So, and this is going to delete that post. So it's just taking a second here. Okay, so at the moment you have 0 posts. A post is just something like a diary entry in a way. Blogs typically have posts and they're usually ordered in chronological order. However, we can get creative with linking posts to create a static looking web page as well, which I'll get into in later videos. But at the moment I'm just going to show you how to create a post, just a quick one. So go to add new on the left here. Okay, and the first thing you're going to want to do is create a title. So let's do creating a first blog post. That's the title. And then we just have a basic word processor looking thing here. Basically you can write as if you're in like Microsoft Word or OpenOffice or any of those programs. And you've got two options here on the top right of this this editor basically. Visual, and visual is probably what you're going to want to use. As you're writing, things are going to show up here as they appear on the web page. So for example, let's write creating a first blog post, but we want to make blog post bold. It's going to show up bold right here. However, if you're more familiar with HTML or you follow some of the tutorials later on that'll teach you HTML, this is personally what I like to use more. It's you click on the tab here and you notice that there's some code along or around blog post, and this is what HTML looks like to create the bold that you see in visual. So sometimes if you go back and forth with them though, there's going to be things that don't coincide, so I recommend just picking one or the other. So starting out, just go with visual. Get familiar with the different options here. You can create lists. So if you want like a numbered list, say first, second, third, it's easy to use, just like a word processor. So once you've done that, you can just go ahead and on the right here, publish. So once the post is published, we'll hit view post. And since we haven't done anything with the theme of the website or anything, we just see that here's your blog post. So you've created something on the internet, your first post. So if you hit back, you can then edit it more if you want. So once it's saved, if you go under posts on the left here and click on posts, you'll see that this is a post that you can edit in the future. So you can always edit things, or you can just delete it or just view. So that's a quick introduction to posts. If you have any questions about anything with creating a post, editing, things like that, just shoot me a message or a comment below. So hopefully that was helpful. I encourage you to go ahead and create your first post right now. This is Ryan with creatingawebsiteguide.com.